Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And now the today's question of our question number 15, which is soldier and bananas. So a soldier wants to buy W bananas in the shop. एक soldier है जिसे W bananas खरीदने हैं. He has to pay K dollars for the first banana, 2K dollars for the second one, and so on. In other words, he has to pay I dot K dollars for the ith banana. तो पहले वाले के लिए K पे करता है, second के लिए 2K, फिर 3K, 4K, and so on. He has N dollars. उसके पास N dollars है. How many dollars does he have to borrow from his friend soldier to buy W bananas? N dollars उसके पास है, W वो खरीदना चाहता है, कितने उसे बोरो करने पड़ेंगे? तो इनपुट देख लेते हैं. First line contains three positive integers k and w. K and w in the range of the thousand and n in the 10 की power 9. Okay, the cost of the first banana. So here the k represent the cost of the first banana. कि पहली बनाने की क्या cost है, and initial number of dollars the soldier has. So w, not w, the n represents the initial number of dollars w, and w represents the number of bananas he wants. उसको कितने bananas चाहिए. तो कोई एक एग्जांपल को ट्राई रन कर लेते हैं. 3, 17 एंड 14. सो पहले बनाने की कॉस्ट है 3. सेकंड वन की होगी कॉस्ट 3 + 6 इज 9. 3 की होगी 12. एंड so first one की cost होगी 3, second की 6, and for the third one 3 times 3 which is 9, and for the fourth it is 3 times 4 which is 12. So पहले की 3 है, दूसरे की 6 है, तो 3 + 6 is 9, and again 9 है, तो 9 + 9 is 18, and for the fourth one 3 times 4 12, तो 18 + 12 is 30. So 30 total cost आने वाली है, and the initial money he got is 17, so 30 minus 17 is 13. So 13 is the answer. Yeah, that's quite a simple problem. So let's code it out. This one's from our last code. Make sure you go and check it out. So let's try coding it. So first we need K and W, right? So let's take all this variable. So yeah, that's it for the first one. Why not we go till the number of bananas he required and total cost v0. Cost of one banana is K. Am I right? Yeah, so K is the cost of first banana, right? And after that we need to print the money he needs to borrow, which is n minus total cost minus n. So let's try running it. Give this input. Showing 13, which is correct. So let's download this code. This is our 15th question from the Striver CP sheet, and let's try submitting it. So it throw the error on the second part. Let's see why so. I less than equal to w. Cost of one banana is K, I guess. K and W. K is the cost of first banana and the initial dollar. W is the number of bananas you want. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so there is also a case HKC if it doesn't have to borrow money, output 0. So there can be a case when this would become negative. So yeah, result equal to this, and if result is less than 0, just output Oops, this output 0, else just see out result. Yeah. So let's again download it. Let's try submitting it again. So yeah, passed on this one. My bad, I missed the edge case. So yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, just make sure you also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.